I love fanboys, motherfucker. We just checked out Provolone heroin. Holy shit, that was a ride, bro. Made me feel all sexy. We got every dog in his day, motherfucker. Suicide Boys. We got Mario. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it, baby. I'm fucking excited. Oh, chill. Hold on. Calm the fuck down. Calm the fuck down. All right, let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready, man. Oh my god, I'm fucking excited, bro. All right. What the fuck is this? Why is there so many dead bodies? What the fuck? Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Dude, I know how Suicide Boys are. Dude, what? You cannot say that! Oh my goodness! Honestly. Fight that bitch! Oh! Yo! Damn! Bro, can they fucking slow the fuck down? Holy shit, they just don't stop. God damn, they're just banana peeling the whole fucking track, bro. God damn, let me fucking, give me some time to register. Holy shit. That's some schizo shit. The fuck? You guys can't see, but my foot's right here. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Unsir? The fuck is an unsir? Why didn't he just say under? You're a real under. Like I would, okay, undercover. What the fuck's an unsir? Dude, this shit is crazy. These motherfuckers just went a whole 3 minutes just straight banana peel, bro. God damn. Damn, these motherfuckers are crazy, bro. I love them, bro. Such a great, it's just great artists, bro. Amazing fucking song again, bro. They went fucking stupid again. They went stupid again. It's not gonna top Blade 98. I don't think anything will ever top Blade 98. Blade 98 is the greatest song of all time. Holy shit, amazing song. Let's go.